Hello students, welcome to all. Today in this video we are going to talk about factors. Just revise, then after we will talk about the new title multiples. Okay, we already talk what is factor. So which number divide completely or exactly without remainder. Okay, so that number we called as a factor. So here I have some example. 3 and 4, 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. So here 3 and 4 are factors. 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4. If you see here, 3 and 4 are the factors. So what we call 3 or 4 are the factors, but 12 is the multiple, because when we multiply the two numbers 3 and 4, we got the result, we got some product. That product we called as a multiple. So today in this video we will talk about that multiples. What is multiple? Here I am taking example 3 multiplied by 4. Okay, it's a factor. 3 and 4 both are factors, but 12 is the multiples. I told you 12 is the multiple, because when we multiply 4 and 3 we get the product. That product we called as a multiple. Okay, so in this case 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. Here 12 is the multiple of 3. How we can say 3 is the multiple of 12? If you multiply 3 into 4 times, we will get 12, no? 3 3s are 12, 4 2s are, sorry, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So 4 3s are 12. So if you multiply 3 by 4 times, you will get the multiple 12. So that's why 3 is the multiple, 12 is the multiple of 3. Then 12 is the multiple of 4 also. If you multiply 4 by 3 times, 4 3s are 12. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So if you multiply 3 times, we get 12 multiple, no? So 4 and 3 both are factors. 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4, we can say. So what is the definition for multiple? A multiple of a number, example 12, is the product obtained. Means when we multiply 3 and by 4 we get 12. So that's saying, so 12 is the multiple. I already told you 12 is the multiple. So how we get 12? When we multiply 3 and 4 we get 12. So 3 and 4 have some different name. What's the name? 3 and 4 are the factors. But when we multiply these two numbers, we get some product. That product we called the multiple. So each and every number have separate names. In this case, 3 and 4 both are we called as a factors. Then when we multiply, we get some product. That product we called as a multiple. So that's its definition. A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same number or any other number. If you multiply 3 into 4 times, we get 12. So in this time we multiply same numbers. Then 4, if you take 4, if you multiply 3 times, we get 12. So we will take example. Find the multiple of 5. So how to find the multiple of 5? As per the definition, 5 multiplied by any number, it will is a multiple. So if you want to find out multiple of 5, we need to multiply any number. So 5 is the number, we need to find out the multiple of 5. So we can multiply any number, we get multiple. So what is the number? First I am going to multiply 5 into 0, 0. Okay, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 10, sorry, 5 into 2, 10, then 5 into 3, 15, then 5 into 4, 20, then 5 into 5, 25, then 5 into 6, 13, then 5 into 7, 35, then 5 into 5 into 8, 40, then 5 into 9 equal to 45, then 5 into 10, 50. So in this case, so 5 is the number, I multiplied by first 0, then I get product 0, then 5 the number, I multiply with 1, then I get product 5. So 5 is the multiple of 1 and 5. In this case 1 and 5 is the factors. Okay, so 10 is the multiple. When I get multiple this 10, no, when I multiply 5 into 2, these two factors give the result of 10. So 10 is the multiple, then 2 and 5 is the factors. If you see the third pair, 3 and 5 both are factors. If the product is 15, 15 is the multiple of 5. Then 5 and 4 is 2 are factors. The multiple is 20. So 20 is the multiple of 5. Then 25, 30, 35, then 40, 45, 50 and so on. So this is the multiple. So how we write finally? The multiple of 5 is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and so on. Okay, so this is the answer. So what is the multiple of 5? 5 is the number. So multiple of 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and so on. So this is the multiple of 5. Let me see another example. I have taken 12. Okay, so 12 is the another number. We need to find out the multiple of 12. So for that I am taking 12 as a number. So first I am going to multiply by 0. So the product is 0. Okay. Then again the number I am going to multiply by 1. Then product is 12. So that the multiple of 12, 0, 12. Then 12. Then after multiplying by 2, we get 2 12s are 24. Then 12 multiplied by 3, we get 3 12s are 36. Okay, 3 12s are 36. Then 12 into 4, 48. Multiple for 48. 12 into 5, 60. Then 12 into 5, sorry, 5, already 5, no? 5, 12 5s are 60. Then 6. 12 6s are 72. Then 12 into 7, 84. Then 12 into 8, 96. then 12 into 9, 108, then 12 into 10, 120, and so on. So if you write the multiples of 12, what is the 12? So therefore the multiples of 12 is 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, and so on. So this is the multiple of 12. So in this case, I hope you understand what is which is factor and which is multiple. You can understand easily. So this is the 3 and 4 both are factors of 12, but 12 is the multiple of 4 and 3. So 12 is the multiple, then 4 and 3 is the factors. If you see in these numbers, 5 and 0 are the factors, 0 is the multiple. Okay, then 5 and 1 both are factors, then 5 is the multiple. So what is the multiple of 5? A given number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Means if you want to find out 5 multiple, you can multiply any number, you get some product. That product we called as a multiple. So 5, I want to find out the multiple of 5. So I multiply first 0, then I got 0. Then again I am multiplied by 1, then I get 5. Then 2 I got 10. Then 3 by 5 into 3 I got 15. Then 5 into 4 I got 20. Then 5 into 5 25. Then and so on. So this is the finally I got this is the multiple of 5. So the multiple of 5 is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and so on. Then second example, I want to find out the multiple of 12. So first I multiply by 0, then I got 0. Then after 1 I got 12. Then 2, 24, 36. So finally I got the multiple of 12 is 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. So this is the multiples of number. Okay, so I hope you understand what is factor and what is multiple. Okay, when we find the multiples, we have to remember some points. What is that point? The first point, we get a series of multiples by multiplying the given number by other number. What is mean by that? We get a series of multiples. Series of multiples means, if you take the previous example, I want to find out the multiples of 12. So it's a given number. So then finally we got some multiples. That multiples, if you look at it, it's a series of number. How we can say it's a series number? 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and so on. It means each and every number have some exact gap, means some pattern. So we call it as a series. So 12 and 24 in middle, 12 is the difference. 36 and 24, 12 is the difference. Then 48 and 36, 12 is the difference. So each and every number in middle there have some difference, the same number. So it's a series of number. So when we multiply, when we get the multiple, so we get some series of number. So that we get series of multiples by multiplying the given number by other number. Means the given number is 12, by other number is this number. So 12 is the given number, 1 is the other number. So 12 is the given number, 2 is the other number. 12 is the given number, 3 is the other number. So when we multiply this number, we get some series of numbers like 12, 24, 36, 48. So we have to remember these points when we multiply, when we find the multiples. Then second point, the given number and other number are the factors of the product we call as multiple. The given number, if you take this example, in the second example we talked, no, 12 is the given number, then other numbers are the factors of this multiple. I already told you, in this case 12 and 1 are the factors of 12. Then 12 and 2 are the factors of 24. 24 is the multiple, but 2 and 12 is the factors, I told you. So the given number and other number are the factors of the product we call as a multiple. So the product we called as the multiple. So the each and every product we called as a multiple, 84, 72. Then these all the product we called as the multiple. Then third point, 0 is the multiple of every number. So if you look at the example, the first example, I multiply first 0, then second example also I multiplied 0. So where 0 is the multiple of every number, but 0 is not a factor of any number except 0. So when we find the factors, no, in that time I didn't say 0 is not a factor. So 0 is the multiple of every number, but 0 is not a factor of any number. Then multiple of any number is a set of number that does not end. So multiple means it's a set of number. So 12 in this case, if you see 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 is a multiple, it's a set of numbers. It's not end, it's a infinitive, it's so on. Okay, so these 4 points you have to remember when we find the multiples. Okay students, see you.